thought today we would make a candy tray. Isn't this cute? All right, let's get started. I want to see if hard candy can go in resin and stay as candy. Let's find out together. I am doing a tray and I'm using liquid diamonds, 2-to-1. This is just a tray that I had laying around, and I painted the bottom kind of fun candy colors to go with the theme of the tray. All right, I'm going to put in some super sparkle white, just a tiny bit. Not that much. Okay, let me put the lid back on. Oh. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have taped the bottom. Now for the fun stuff. Woohoo! Okay, everything flat? Check it one more time, see if I'm leaking. I think I'm leaking. We'll check in tomorrow and see what this looks like. This is cured enough that I can show it to you, but Some of the pieces, let's see, I better stand up so I can see the camera. Some of the pieces like this stick, popsicle stick, sucker stick, came up a little bit. These mica nikes are a little bit above, so I have mixed up about maybe 4 ounces, 3 ounces. We're just going to do a little flood coat here. I didn't put anything in this flood coat. This is just resin. I didn't put any sparkly stuff in it because there's enough sparkly in here. Hopefully this will be enough to cover the gummy worms and the mica nikes. Isn't this a fun tray? I was just looking at it and it's like, oh my gosh. Reminds me of when I was a kid eating this candy. One thing I did notice is that this, oh, I should tell you where I got this. This tray came as a set from Pier 1 years ago. And it had a china teapot with 4 little cups. And it just sat around and gathered dust. So I thought, okay, well, let's put something fun in it. And this is definitely fun. But you see how this is really, the resin is right to the brim. So I'm just going to spritz some alcohol on here to help pop the bubbles. And I was reminded that, well, you saw it. I forgot to tape the bottom. So I took my what is it? It is a wood burning tool. Oh, I think my husband got it for me from Walmart. And it comes with an X-Acto knife attachment. And so I just heat that up. And I just sliced off the excess. And now that it's cured, it's all good as far as it's not going to leak anymore. But I've done these before and I don't know why I didn't. I guess I was just too excited. I was just way too excited to get this to get this going. Because it looks so cool. This is so much fun. This looks so cool. I would take you in for a close-up here. We got little gummy lifesavers. I wanted the hard candy lifesavers, but they didn't, the dollar store didn't have any. And there's Mike and Ike's, and there's sours, and there's gummy worms, and there's 2 different kinds of suckers. And there's mint candies. Isn't this cute? This is so much fun. This would be so cool out on a patio with with refreshing lemonade drinks. Isn't this neat? I hope you guys enjoyed this. And thank you so much for liking and subscribing and sharing. This is just amazing. I love you guys all to death. You guys have really inspired me to keep going. I appreciate your comments so much, and I try to respond to everyone that I find or that I see. I may not respond immediately because we've had accidents on YouTube where I don't get the messages. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.